Hello, my name is Louise, and today I'm filming my Partners in Cream update for May. I am a week late soon in filming this, but I was sick. My skin went haywire. It was not a good time. I was in bed pretty much an entire week. So everything is a little topsy-turvy in this house, or in terms of my YouTubes. But anyway, that's, whatever. Let's just go through my items. And this project was created by Steph and Dalin. I will link them down below. The idea is that you have cream products that you want to use, finish, me. So I have 4 items in this project, and one has been gone for months. But today I decided to, make more room in my hall closet by putting my winter coat somewhere else. And I went through the pockets of my coats and I found my first product, the one that has been gone for months, and that's the NYX Butter Gloss in Angel Food Cake. Finally. And my goal was to use it 20 times. Since this has been gone for months, I have used it 3, 5, 6 times. So 14 uses left, but now I have it. I am super pleased. So, not going anywhere. Then, my second item is the Chanel Moon River eyeshadow. And my friend Ravneet here on YouTube has been very supportive in me using this, but no. I've used it twice this past month, and my goal is to use it 21 times, and I am up 3 plus 4 is 7 plus 2 is 9 plus 2 is 11, so 10 more times, 10 more times, 10 more times. And then I'm going to declutter it. It's like a beautiful product, but every look becomes very, very glittery. I have said this before. And that gives a mood that I'm not always into, So. Then the third item is the Apoteket Solkrem Ansikte. Pharmacy sunscreen face. SPF 50. My goal is to finish it, and I can see that I am here. So that's a lot. That's not much left, I don't remember where I was because I don't think it's that see-through, but now that I'm looking at it like this, it's very obvious. So, progress is being made. I'm hoping to finish this one soon. Yeah. And then my item that I think I added last month. Yeah, I added this last month. The XX Revolution XX Notorious Lip Oil. My goal is to finish this. And look how little there is left. Look. So this is my mark. This was last time. This is this time. And the plastic goes up to there. So that's not a lot left. That's not a lot left. I have used it 5, 10, 15, 16 times. I actually used this, I think, twice when I was sick. Because I know I completely dissed it last time, but it's a pretty nice lip oil. Most lip oils, lip balms that are scented or flavored, I feel like they just lie on the lips, and it's not my thing, really. This one worked pretty well. It's pretty nice. So, yeah. Anyway, that was my update for May. I am hoping to edit this and put it up ASAP. But anyway, I hope you're having a nice day. Take care of yourselves, wash your hands, and have a snack of your choosing. And I will see you in a month-ish with a new Partners in Cream update. Bye!